Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to unboxing this new speaker that I got from Gain City. For those who don't know about Gain City, it's just like an electronics department store that sells computers, televisions, etc. The reason why I just want to change this to this because freaking this speaker that I got this back in 2015 sucks. I tell you, you know why? It's because this thing connects to this connect from the subwoofer to this hub and to this audio jack. This is very very complicated and troublesome for me, and I need to resolder it, and I need to find a correct cables for it because if I choose a different one, does not work. So, and the what is audio jack thingy, I really don't know what to say. And here's the speaker itself. This is a Logitech Z337 with Bluetooth. There is another model which is I really do not know. I don't know. I've forgotten. So, well, I'm gonna just unboxing this. Let's unbox this thing. Alright. There is some instruction thing about some diagrams about the speaker system itself. Yes. Yeah. Continue this video. Let me just box this thing out. Well, originally, now is open this thing. Now it's open because I wanna test this thing out. It costs us $99 for this thing, which is freaking bugging. Here's a speaker, subwoofer itself. This thing. I like this. Yeah, Logitech. I like Logitech so much. And other crappy brand like Creative, which I don't like. Well, and this speaker thingy. Here's the speakers because this thing has some like this RCA jacks for this one, for this subwoofer. So I like this one. I almost liking this thing so much because look how and presentable this thing is. And let me just clean this old speaker system out. Set up. And here he is. Here's the speaker itself. Okay, I'm gonna test this one because I am feeling this stupid. Take the film. I don't want to damage. I don't want to break this on the floor. What else? I'm gonna kill something yourself. Okay. Why don't I just... Okay, I just freaking just plug it in. Wait, I need to check. And wait, there's more. Where is the check thingy? Where is it? Oh, I found it. This is the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. The cables, which I am connecting to this phone and testing this. How freaking awesome this speaker runs well. Oops. Okay, nice. Whoa, my gosh. Wait. Two. Alright. Nice. Okay, I gotta play some Monster Cat music. For those who don't know, this phone, this is Sony Ericsson W995. This, I got this for free because one of my relatives doesn't want it anymore, so yeah. Yeah, man. This is what they call beauty ass. Oh my gosh, yes. Now it's do better than this one, but well, if yep, I don't want to get copyrighted by YouTube. And the next one, wait, one more thing. There's some junk stuff saying about about important safety, all this blah blah blah. I'm not gonna read it. So the next, but for this speaker, I wanted to fix one because yeah, I'm just not gonna throw this away because I am saving this. I am saving it up. They have right to repair laws. And okay, I hope this video turns great. If you like this video, hit the like button and like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I see you guys next time.